Feeling lost in a sea of business tools? Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate showdown, Erpnext vs QuickBooks, to help you pick the perfect sidekick for your business success. First up, Erpnext. Think of it as the all-known superhero. Its open-source nature allows for crazy customization, meaning it's flexible enough to mold to your business. Whether you're a small startup or a rapidly growing enterprise, it handles everything from accounting and CRM to inventory management and manufacturing. Now, let's switch gears to QuickBooks. It's the popular kid on the block for a reason. Its user-friendly interface makes navigating the world of accounting a breeze. It's great for basic accounting tasks, invoicing, and managing payroll, especially for small businesses. Price-wise, Erpnext's open-source version is free to use, but you'll likely need to factor in implementation and hosting costs. QuickBooks operates on a subscription model, with different tiers depending on the features you need. Thinking long-term, Erpnext shines when it comes to scalability, easily adapting to your growing needs. QuickBooks can become limited as your business complexity increases. The bottom line, if you're a small business needing straightforward accounting, QuickBooks is a solid choice, but if you need a robust, scalable, and customizable solution that covers all aspects of your business, Erpnext is definitely worth a closer look. Choose wisely.